Welcome to Trouble with Tish. I am Tish, and I be Trouble. And if you are a returner, welcome back.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget the future and the past.
Alright, so it's Shady Friday, but it's a special one because it is the 4th of July. And I don't have a look on, and I'm not going to be doing a look because I'm just going to talk about how I view 4th of July. So the 4th of July is the day, it's a celebration of the day that we gained our independence from the British. And a lot of people will celebrate with fireworks. And the fireworks are supposed to represent the bombs bursting in the air. But we always celebrated by lighting off a cannon. It sounds weirder than it is. My great-grandfather, he built things. He was blind, but he built things. And like I have a train that he built. He like made all the pieces and he built the train. He built quite a few of them. But he also built several cannons. And they are fully functional. This is not the one that we would light off. It is much bigger. But it's the same exact thing as this. It's just bigger. And we call it Grandpa because, well, it was made by Grandpa. Well, my great-grandpa, but, you know, my dad's grandpa. And so when I think of 4th of July, I think about the cannon being lit off. And this one, while functional, I believe that if you lit this one off, it would kind of blow apart. Because you do use, like, a fuse, and you do use gunpowder to light these off. And we never shot off anything more dangerous than a wad of toilet paper. But, you know, it is very loud. And it does make a huge boom. I actually have a video clip of my dad lighting off the bigger version of the cannon, which I will insert here at the end. But when I think of the 4th of July, I think about all of the people in my family who have served and have given their blood and their sweat and their tears and their lives to help protect what we gained on the 4th of July, on Independence Day. And it's very important that we do protect our independence. And it is very important that we protect our rights. Because otherwise we would just be like every other country. And people don't come here to get away from amazing countries. They come here to enjoy the freedoms that we fought for and gained on our Independence Day. So I'm going to insert a little video clip of my dad lighting off the bigger version of this cannon. This one is my son's. It was given to him as part of his inheritance. I don't think that he quite gets the significance of this, but I do. The reason I don't have the bigger one is because the bigger one went to my sister, because when when my stepmom was pregnant with my sister, it was the 4th of July, and my dad lit off the cannon, the bigger version, and my stepmom was pregnant, and she came out of the kitchen, and it looked like alien underneath her shirt because my sister decided that it freaked my sister out inside the womb, and she actually flipped upside down, and she was born breech the next day. She was born the 5th, and she was born breech. Well, my dad always said she was born cannon breech because cannons, but because she was head down before. So she came out ass first. I think she's just getting a head start to telling the world to kiss her ass. Because, you know, why not? But, yeah. So she received the cannon when my dad passed. So I don't have that one. But I have this one. But I am going to insert a clip of my dad lighting off the cannon. Okay.
Fire in the hole! Take 2!
All right, so this was my version of how I feel about the 4th of July and what I think of when I think of the 4th of July. Again, this is a collaboration with the Beauty Ninjas, and there will be a link in the description box for the playlist for the rest of these lovely ladies. And they are all doing something different. It may be that not everybody will do a look. So why don't you go down there, click on the playlist, and find out what it is that they did for their videos. Alright, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. All that good stuff is below. I hope every single one of you has an absolutely amazing day, and I will see you all next time. Bye.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget the future and the